Watch us trade live right before your eyes from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. every market day Pacific time. Join us now only on SwissFT.com.
Good day, traders. This is Richard. It's Saturday morning, March 23rd, around 5:40 a.m. Pacific. And we're on our third or fourth instrument to forecast for trading next week. We are looking at the S&P 500 now. We've already done the crude oil and the gold, the euro, and the S&P 500 is the staple. And it has been in an uptrend so beautiful since the beginning of the year. We are approaching the end of March, 3 months of the year, a quarter of the year complete. And the S&P 500 has been gradually moving up in a perfect upward trend, backing off 38%, advancing 61% or 78%, and then doing it again all over again about each week. You can see we're looking back here approximately 2 weeks. We count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 2 weeks. You're seeing 2 weeks. Notice the vertical lines in there breaking up each day. So we're looking at a 240-minute chart. So there's 6 candles a day. So we're getting an oscillation about every 3 days. One to the upside, one to the downside. And so you can see that the harmonic number is roughly 37 points. In other words, the swing from the high to the low, that's the harmonic. And why do we call it a harmonic? Because it makes music. You could treat it like music. You could put notes to it. A musician, I'm not a musician. I don't know the first thing about writing musical chords. But a musician could put music to these charts. And I think somebody should try that sometime. But it is wonderful to see the S&P just trending up for the last 3 months without a major pullback. And I hope it keeps on going. It could change in not any day, but any week or two. It could change and go down 78% instead of just retracing 38%. But if it just retraces 38%, we stay in an uptrend. That's sustainable. It can do that as long as people continue to purchase more shares of the stocks that are contained in the S&P 500. So we've got another pullback here, anticipated, that we started getting a pullback on Friday. We were in an uptrend on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, as you can see there, with the green line going up and the red line. And then we found a top up there at 52, is that 20, 52.20. And we pulled back a little bit. We pulled back to 52.90. And so if we take and measure the distance of that pullback, we find out that that's about 20%. And we're going to pull back to the 38.2. That's our anticipation. And then we'll start back up, and that'll probably take 3 or 4 days next week, 2 or 3 anyway. And then we'll find a bottom down there, target 3, and oscillate to the upside again, we hope. But we believe we're going to pull back from that last candle that you see there before the red line and the word enter zone. That's where we're going to enter short. And we're going to hold that short till we get down there to 61.8, which is more substantial than 38.2. We're going to pull back further than 38.2. That's what we think, because of the attitude. Notice the attitude of the swing has gotten pretty strong See how much it moved from where the pointer is now all the way up to where the pointer just went. That's a long move. That's probably 78.6 move up there. And when we say 78.6, we're thinking of a percentage, 3/4 of the move from one angle or from one high to one low or from one low to one high. When it moves 75%, 78.6% is the Fibonacci number of 3/4. And these things swing right according to these fib numbers. So just trust the charts. We have learned to read the mind of the market, and we try to do that each week and then make it available for you to see, to read, to listen to, and try to learn how to read the mind of the market yourself so that you too can become proficient in this business we love and we think you'll love when you get the gist of it. Well, thank you for listening to that little discussion. We hope that that'll help you better understand the financial markets. So we're looking for the S&P to finish pulling back what it started last Friday and go down the next 3 or 4 days to target 3 there. Then it will turn and go up again. That's what we're expecting. Thank you all for listening.
Join us now only on SwissFT.com.